Hi everyone! Today I am so excited to share a simple upcycled craft with you. Today we're going to take a snack popcorn box and we're going to turn it into a beautiful Christmas gift box. Okay, so you'll need one box. The box I'm using has a lid. You'll also need some acrylic paint. I'm using white and a darker green color. You'll also need some Mod Podge. You'll need some faux greenery. And I also am using some pine cones. You also need scissors, a paintbrush, jute, one paint marker, and I'm also using a decorative holiday napkin. Okay, begin by using a paintbrush to apply some acrylic paint to the box. Here's a quick tip. If the box that you're using has a glossy texture like the box that I am using has, you can use a sanding block and sand the surface down before you apply the paint. Be sure to allow the paint to fully dry. I'm just using my heating tool here. You could just set it aside and let it dry for a few minutes. And afterwards you may need 2 to 3 coats depending on the coverage you desire for your box. Okay, so you can prepare the lid by sanding it down before applying the acrylic paint. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying a dark green color paint to my lid. The paint is called English Ivy Green. And like I said before, you will need a few coats of paint, maybe 2 to 3 coats of paint. Okay, so now you're ready to take your decorative napkin. You'll carefully remove the second layer of your napkin. Once you have removed the second layer, you're going to use your scissors and you're going to cut out the design that you will want for your project. Next, you're going to use a paintbrush and apply some Mod Podge to the painted surface of the gift box. Okay, so after applying your Mod Podge, you will apply a second layer of Mod Podge over the top section of your decorative napkin. And then once you have done that, you will use a heating tool to dry the Mod Podge. And once you have done that, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now you're ready to use your paint marker on your lid. So what I did here was I just created a few dots over the lid. You can do any design that you would like. I just wanted to make it look like it was snow on my lid. Like I said, you can do any design. You can do a snowflake, you can draw stars, whatever you would like. Okay, so I decided to use some jute. You could also use ribbon if you prefer. So what I did here is I just took my jute and I ran it across and down my gift box, and then I tied it off. And then after doing that, you can, this is optional, but you can add some faux greenery. I just like how it looks. Like I said, it's optional. And after that, that actually completes your gift box. I love how this project turned out, and it's a wonderful way to decorate and personalize the box, and also it just makes it feel extra special when presenting a gift in a handmade gift box. I hope you all have enjoyed this simple DIY project. Thank you for coming along and creating with me. I'll see you soon.